Hey guys, so today we are going to be doing a taste test with two healthy salad dressings. Now, all salad dressings are not created equal. When you buy shelf-stable salad dressings in a bottle at the supermarket, most of them are not healthy at all. And I have been waiting to do this video. I had planned it out a while ago, but I've been trying to eat up what I had left of salad dressings, but it took longer than I expected. Even though, I'm a big fan of salad, I eat it every single day. Instead of having a lettuce-based salad, though, I have cabbage. So that's neither here nor there. But yeah, healthy salad dressing is not a very common thing at the supermarket. If you want to know more about salad dressing ingredients and what makes a salad dressing healthy or not healthy, I'm going to leave links to three YouTube channels in the description box. These are like my three go-to guys for nutrition. Dr. Eric Berg, I've talked about him before, Bobby Parrish, and then the most recent person that I've discovered that I have gotten tons of great information from, Paul Saladino. Now, Dr. Eric Berg is actually a chiropractor, but nutrition is his passion. So he makes mainly nutrition videos. Bobby Parrish is a culinary arts person. He has a degree in culinary arts, but he makes videos about nutrition as well. And Dr. Paul Saladino actually has two medical degrees. He is a physician nutrition specialist. Now, all these guys seem to have a different outlook on nutrition and what makes something healthy and not. But if you watch all their videos, there are certain common denominators. They're all very big on bashing seed oils. There are certain kinds of oils that are just not good for you. And if you listen to mainstream media or doctors even, they'll normally try to get you to eat a lot of things that are not healthy. So what makes these two salad dressings that I'm going to taste test today different than what you normally see at the supermarket is neither one of these have the bad seed oils in them. What are bad seed oils? Soybean oil, canola oil, what else? What's the other common ones that you see? Soybean oil, canola oil, and off the top of my head, I can't think of it now. But yeah, that's why I'm leaving links to these guys' channels, because they have, a lot of videos about this sort of thing. But what makes the salad dressings that I'm going to be taste testing today, what sets them apart is they are made with avocado oil. Avocado oil is one of the few healthy oils that you can use or buy for salad dressing that makes it healthy. And there's very specifics why that is, but I'm not going to go into that today. This is really just a taste test video of two healthy salad dressings. So we're going to have a competition here between Primal Kitchen and Chosen Foods. Look how similar the bottles are, you guys. They're both in glass bottles, which is, of course, better for you than plastic. They're both 8 ounces, and they both have blue and white labels. And they are both available at Walmart and Target. The main differences between the two are the price. Primal Kitchen is $6.48 at Walmart, $6.69 at Target. But the Chosen Foods is $6.69 at Target, but $4.98 at Walmart. So Walmart must have some kind of a deal with them, because, yeah, that's a significant difference in price. So this is a couple bucks cheaper if you buy it at Walmart. But otherwise, the salad dressings are in the $6 range. So the other main difference is the ingredients. The Primal Kitchen has apple cider vinegar, which I'm a big fan of nutritionally speaking. I even use apple cider vinegar almost like a medicine. I drink 1 tablespoon of raw apple cider vinegar in a big glass of water every day. Um, when I had kidney problems and I went to the urologist, they suggested lemon juice, but I have done a lot of research on my own, and I told him that I was doing the apple cider vinegar, and he said, yeah, that works too. He said, we usually recommend lemon juice, but he said apple cider vinegar is good too. Chosen Foods has lemon juice in it. So either one of these, Chosen Foods, lemon juice, Primal Kitchen, apple cider vinegar, they're both really good ingredients for you. Now, the other major difference is that the Primal Kitchen is dairy-free. The Chosen Foods is not. So if you're somebody that's avoiding dairy, you might want to go for the Primal Kitchen. Now, I personally have nothing against dairy. I love it, and I incorporate dairy into my diet all the time. So that is the basics of what separates these two from each other, but they are very, very similar. Yeah, if you want to know the main ingredients in a product, look at the first 3 ingredients, and that will tell you mostly what you want to know. The Chosen Foods is avocado oil, water, and lemon juice. The Primal Kitchen is avocado oil, water, and apple cider vinegar, organic apple cider vinegar. Now, if you go to the 4th ingredient, which isn't, as much or as important, the Primal Kitchen is organic egg yolk. The Chosen Foods 4th ingredient is vinegar. So that's a big difference there. And it also matters to people who don't do eggs. Interesting. So the Chosen Food is not dairy free, but the Primal Kitchen has eggs. So, okay. All right. So 1 serving of either one of these is 2 tablespoons. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 1 tablespoon into, and I'm just going to eyeball it. I'm not going to measure it. I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of this into this paper cup. And then I'm going to put Chosen Foods. Now, what I noticed right off the bat is that the Chosen Foods is more liquidy. The Primal Kitchen is thicker. And what I'm going to do is after this video is over, I'm going to mix these together and put them in my salad that I'm going to have. So here we go. Primal Kitchen, yeah, it's thicker. But how does it taste? Did I tell you these are ranch? I figured that was the fairest way to do this, was to compare the same flavor against the 2 brands. So the first thing I notice about the Primal Kitchen ranch is tangy is the first sensation that I get. Delicious. Really, really like it. Tangy and delicious. Okay, that's my opinion right off the bat of the Primal Kitchen. Now let's taste the Chosen Foods. Chosen Foods, yeah, is more liquidy. It is also tangy, but honestly, I don't care for it. Wow. Wow, that's really interesting. Yeah, I wonder if it's because I've sort of trained my taste buds to enjoy the avocado oil. Not avocado oil, apple cider vinegar is what I meant to say. Yeah, the Primal Kitchen is the one that has the apple cider vinegar. The Chosen Foods is the one with the lemon juice. Yeah, I don't care for the Chosen Foods one. I mean, it's not horrible, but I definitely really like the taste of the Primal Kitchen one better. Now, the Primal Kitchen one is the one that's in the $6 range. The Chosen Foods, if you buy it at Walmart, is only $4.98. So the Chosen Foods is cheaper, but not if you buy it at Target. At Target, it's in the $6 range. So, wow. And the Primal Kitchen one is the one that had the egg in it. The ranch is the one that had vinegar as the fourth ingredient, but it's not apple cider vinegar. It just says distilled vinegar. So that's my opinion. It definitely depends on your taste buds though, but I would go with the Primal Kitchen. When these get repurchased, I think in order to use up the Chosen Foods one, I might just mix these together every day till they're gone. Either that or pawn it off onto my husband. He's not as fussy as I am when it comes to things, so maybe, yeah, maybe he would like the Chosen Foods better. Who knows? I think I'm gonna let him taste these after I finish this video. But yeah, I would go with Primal Kitchen. But yeah, I'm going to leave a link to those three guys I talked about. And they all have different approaches to foods, but they are very knowledgeable about just food in general and what's healthy and what's not healthy. And I'm not on any of the diets that they're on. Like Dr. Eric Berg is like very pro keto. I used to do keto and it does work, but it's not something I want to be on for life. Paul Saladino was strictly carnivore for the longest time, but now he's incorporating other foods into his diet. And I don't know what Bobby Parrish considers himself. I think he just tries to eat healthy. I don't think he's on a specific diet, but they're all really good. So I'll put links to their channel in the description box. So that's it for today, you guys. If you like healthy eating videos and taste tests, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Thanks for watching.